This renovation project is located in the city center nearby Bến Thành market. This history around here is not very old, just around 100 years, but we feel it's still very important history and memory for Ho Chi Minh City. Around the Bến Thành market, we have lots of French colonial buildings, but they already chopped down into the piece of land, and some piece already inserted by the 7-8 story mini hotels. When we see whole the city, we feel that around 40-50% of the city already destroyed. But on the other hand, when we see the people's activity, they really enjoy living and using the city. We feel that this is because of their confidence that they can change their city as they like, even if this is a heritage. This is very different from European city. The European city, they really preserve strong respect, then preserve the city as it were. But the Asian city, the people and the city is more close. Then they feel they can change when they feel necessary. We define that this kind of intelligence is very important for the Asian city and Ho Chi Minh City. So that's why we feel our renovation also have to follow this intelligence way. When we start the design, the first important thing is that how to connect with the old building and the new building. Actually, when we visit this building, original building was covered by a lot of decoration walls and the partition walls and a lot of covers by the advertisement board. So we cannot feel anything about old materials, old building. We cannot see anything. So we take out all the covers, then we revert back to the original building about the concrete or bricks or everything. Then after that, we attach like a new materials, floor or the glasses. What is important for us is how to continuously connecting from the old building, old materials, and to the new materials. Then when we study about the old buildings, we found that old building was made from lots of small-scale buildings, small-scale materials like bricks or like small concrete blocks, because old days they don't have a big machine to move the big materials, heavy materials. So we decided to use the similar small-scale materials, but we use repeat a lot, in order to make it continuously. Then people doesn't find where is the border between the old material and new material. And second important thing is that we still want to update to our new functions. That we want to bring urban context into the interior also. So we define one loggia space. Then loggia is like a inside terrace. That we open interior space to the city through this loggia. To create this loggia, we need 2 filters. The one filter was made by the 1000 glass jalogies, and another is made by the very thin steel frames in order not to disturb the outside city. After this project, we found that now the city is developing very fast and changing rapidly. So this is time now we should stop a bit, then to think what kind of intelligence is important or suitable for this city, and what kind of city we will give to transfer to the next generation.